Welcome to today's class of triangles and their congruency. Triangles can be classified by a number of congruent sides, as you know. Congruency, you mean similar sides. Scalene triangle, it has no congruent sides, means no similar sides. Just have a look. None of these sides are similar. You can have a look at this one, and this one. None of them are same. Isosceles triangle, it has at least two congruent sides. You can see these two sides are similar in this second triangle also, third triangle also. Then now comes equilateral triangle. It has all the three sides are similar and same, sizes are same. It's called equilateral triangle. Triangles can also be classified with angle measures. Right angle has a right angle. Look at the right angle below. This is called the right angle. Acute angle, which means all the angles are less than 90 degrees. Angles are less than angles less than 90 degree. I come to obtuse angle triangle. Triangle with an obtuse angle. Obtuse means greater than 90 degree. Look at this. Here we have angle which is greater than 90 degree. Okay. Congruent means same size and same shapes. Two shapes set to congruent, so they have exactly the same size, same shape. And similarly, the corresponding angles and their sides are equal. Just look at the figure. Which of them is same? You can clearly guess out which is the same, similar or congruent. I think it's A and the C are same. This one and this one are same. Okay. It might be this one also, even also. Two figures has to be congruent if they have same shape and same sizes. Look at these shapes, all are similar, same shape, same sizes. Similarly of this one, and though they have been rotated. Okay. कॉन्ग्रुएंसी का मतलब है कि हम दोनों शेप सेम साइज और सेम शेप के बेशक थोड़ा घुमा दिया गया हो, इन शेप्स को भी दिखाया जा सकता है. You can have a look at these shapes. They are also similar, but they are just the mirror reflections. शीशे के देखा गया है. Similarly, these two triangles are congruent. Their sides are congruent, their angles are congruent. This is called the nomenclature. We denote a triangle by using this notation. This is called congruency symbol. Congruent symbol. Similarly, this is used to refer to the triangle. You can see this is also triangle. दोनों triangle congruent हैं. Angle A is equal to angle X. Angle B is equal to angle Y. Okay. This is same. This is same. 1 and 1. This is 2 and this is 2 and this is 3. And these all are same. This was triangle is said to be congruent. Similarly, notifying the angles, angle C, angle A and angle B. Okay. And similarly the sides. We denote by notation AB, this way, AB this side. Okay. Some side BC, some side XZ. And look at these triangles, they are also said to be congruent. Though pictorially these shapes are not same, though they have same name, but they are not made to scale. इसलिए दोनों triangle congruent है. Triangle DF is congruent to triangle QRS. Corresponding parts of these triangles are congruent. Similarly, notifying the angles. Look at the side it is moving. Be careful when you have the name, the shape. When you name the shape of the triangle, just be careful in naming them. Name congruent parts in order. Keep it by make sure the letters are in corresponding order. By that it means this should follow a sequence, like A is going to B and A is going to B and B is going to C. Well, we cannot label it as A, C or B, or label it as D, F, E. Maintain a proper sequence. This is how we can prove triangles are congruent, similar sides and similar angles. There are different ways. Choose a side, 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 angle, angle, side, angle, 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 side, none. Similarly, of these two shapes, when you use a shortcut as AAS, SAS, ASAH, to show that two triangles congruent, means that all the corresponding parts are congruent. These shapes A, B, C, and D, F. Okay. All of these mean the same. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles are congruent. All of them are same. CPCTC. CPCTC. You can use only the CPCTC after you have proved congruence. These are just the theoretical questions to solve the theorems. These are one of the ways you can study it later on. Now going to the third angle theorem. If the two angles of one triangle are congruent to two angles of another triangle, the third angle is also congruent. The proof is just the same. Let C be 180 minus A plus B. Here we have F is equal to 180 minus E plus F. If these two are same, why not C and F are equal? Here we prove the theorem. Okay, similar it is written below. Practice time. Are these shapes congruent? Now you'll be able to understand and explain why these shapes are similar or congruent. Because they are both parallelograms and of equal size. What about these? Congruent? Yes. And what these? These are mirror reflections, they are congruent. Okay. And what about this? They are same. Corresponding angles and corresponding sides are similar. Triangles. These are also congruent. Same of this Using these two congruency principles, we can solve the questions. Like we have the two quadrilaterals HIJK and RSTQ. Here we want to calculate the value of A. What is the value of A here? A is pointed out here 3A. As you see, these two quadrilaterals are congruent. That means HI is congruent to RS. In other words, 3A is equal to 6. We get the value of A as 2. Okay. Now quite simple, perhaps. Okay. Fine. Look at the answer as 2. Similarly, we can find the value of B here. Then उस B की वैल्यू हम लोग खोज सकते हैं. Okay. Divide both sides. Look at the value of 30. Same as in case of C. This there's no confusion here. Okay. Now just go through what we have learned today. Name all sides of triangles. Okay. These are sides and angles. And what is true about K and angle L? Okay. Two segments to be congruent. These have same length. Congruent triangles summing up, same size, same shape. All six corresponding chords, angles and sides. Two angles are congruent. CPTC. Example. Okay. Angles and sides. Here we identify the corresponding parts. Another problem to solve. Given. This is given. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DBC. And the value x. These are homeworks for you to solve. Find the value x. Okay. Find angle f. Okay. Now we can find out triangles and the congruency. In case you have any doubt, just mail me back at tutorkamal@gmail.com. Just try solving the questions at the end. It will solve many queries about the triangles and the congruency. Thank you very much for giving a patient hearing. Thank you everybody.